Imagine holding a simple, homemade, and powerful drink in your hands, one that can transform your liver health, combat fat, and reduce inflammation, all in a practical and delicious way. And the best part? You can make it with ingredients already in your kitchen. Whether you want to prevent liver issues or work on healing, this refreshing elixir will give you the natural support you need. Stay with me until the end because you won't want to miss out on this recipe that can transform your daily routine without complications. Today, we're preparing a special drink for those who want to care for their liver and naturally detoxify the body. This drink is excellent for anyone dealing with a fatty liver or inflammation and looking to strengthen this vital organ. It's refreshing, healthy, and budget-friendly, using simple ingredients that anyone can find at home. Remember, the ingredient list and exact measurements are available in the description below, so you can follow along easily. Before we start, tell me, have you ever had any health issues related to your liver? Or are you just looking to prevent future complications? Share in the comments. I love getting suggestions on topics you find helpful since I can bring more recipes and information to support your health journey. After all, caring for your liver is about more than just prevention. It's about achieving a better quality of life. First step of the recipe: making the tea base. Let's start with a tea base for our drink, but the final result won't be just a regular tea. First, I have a pot with hot water. For the first ingredient, I'm adding orange peels. The peels have a delicious aroma and are rich in antioxidants, which combat cell damage and help with liver regeneration. To get the most out of its benefits, we let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Adding turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory. Now I'm adding turmeric pieces. Turmeric is known for its antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for protecting and revitalizing the liver. Let the mixture continue simmering to fully absorb the nutrients. In just a few minutes, this blend becomes a rich and powerful base. Adding more herbs for liver support. Next, let's infuse a few more herbs. First, we add boldo, which is famous for its antioxidant and diuretic effects, helping flush out toxins. Then we add dandelion root tea, which promotes liver health by stimulating enzyme production and aiding in body cleansing. Finally, we add artichoke tea, which helps with fat digestion, providing even more protection to the liver and combating liver fat. Finishing and consumption tips. Now that everything is well infused, I'm straining it and preparing the drink. To make it even more refreshing, I add water and ice. If you prefer, you can use sparkling water for an extra touch. And don't worry, it won't affect your liver health. I recommend drinking this about 20 minutes before lunch or in the morning to maximize its benefits. Additional suggestions and precautions. If you need to sweeten it, go for natural sweeteners and avoid sugar, as it can harm the liver. And of course, if you have a specific health condition, consult your doctor before adding any new drink or tea to your routine. This is a suggestion that can enhance your day-to-day, but always with guidance from a professional. So, how about trying this drink? Tell me in the comments when you prefer to drink it, and if you liked it, like the video and share it. Let's spread this goodwill and support more people to take care of their bodies naturally. Until next time, and cheers to your health!